Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and today's video is on my Fresno chili pepper that I'm growing in this pot here. I just put these in here just to help support the plant because it's getting heavy with all the fruit that it's bearing. But look what we have here. I've already harvested and showed a video of one Fresno I've harvested, and I've got, look how beautiful this one is. So I've got that one, and if I can look down here, I've got this one here. So already I've had three beautiful ripe Fresno chili peppers that are growing in this pot. Now this pot does not have soil. There's no dirt in this pot. This is coco coir, vermiculite, and perlite, which are neutral mediums, which means, there's no nutrition in them. So if you try to grow a plant in there, a seedling has its own nutrition supply built in, so it'll germinate the seed, which so coco coir and perlite and vermiculite are great for germination, but once the plant starts to grow, it needs food. And so how do I feed it? I put hydroponic plant food solution in this reservoir here. Here's the roots. So that's how the plant gets its food. There's no, normally your plant would get its food from the dirt, but because I don't have soil in here, I have to provide the nutrition for the plant through the water, which is what I do. So that's why this is a hydroponic system and not just a normal plant. That flash went off on me, but that's okay. We can still see, hopefully. For some reason the flash shuts off on this phone for no reason, so I bought a ring light, but I haven't installed it yet. But anyway, here's another beautiful Fresno that's on its way. Here's a little baby one. It still has this little seed head on there. Oops, not ready to come off yet. Got some flowers here. This one's ripening up back here. Any more hiding in here? Oh yeah, so I see a few. Oh, there's another one. This one's got its little hat. See if that'll come off. Yep, there you go. That's its little flower hat. So what happens is the pepper grows out of the middle of the flower, and then once it gets big enough, it drops its little flower hat. So so you can see the three stages of the pepper plant. You've got the flower. Focus. You got the flower. You got the little pepper bud forming out and growing, and then you've got the green stage here, and then you've got the ripe one. Now the funny thing about peppers is you can eat them pretty much at any stage. You can eat them ripe, you can eat them green, and both are good. But I like Fresno peppers. You can see the jungle here. I like my Fresno peppers to be ripe. I have eaten green ones before. They taste fine. They just taste like a jalapeno when you eat them green, but when you eat them and they're hot, well, hotter than a jalapeno. But when you let them get ripe, they have a sweetness and a nice, robust flavor that I enjoy from the Fresno chili pepper. All right. Any comments, questions? Leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.